Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous classes, we have learned how we can create the file, how we can create the directory. So we used to create the file using the touch command, vi command. We used to create the directory using the mkdir command. So these are some basic things that we used to create the file and directory. Now in this lecture, we are going to learn about the how we can delete the directory instead of creating how we can delete it. So we can do deleting of directory also. So let's see how we can do deleting of the directory and files. Now if you're talking about the, let's go to the Linux server. Now I am logged into my Linux server using the my IP address 192.168.29.154. Currently I am logged in as who am I, as myself. Now let's clear the screen. Let's do the ls minus ltr, so see the how what are the file present inside it. These are the file present, these are the file, and this is the directory that is present inside it that I have created earlier. This is also directory I am created earlier. So in this lecture I am going to show how we can delete these files and directory. If you want to delete a file, there is a command rm or remove. Rm means remove, and whatever the file name you can give here, it will remove it. If I give rm file1, it will remove the file1, and if you do the ls minus ltr, you can see file1 is gone. Okay. Now similarly, if you do the rm and lots of file, you want to delete 3 to 4 file at one time, then you can do similarly rm file1 space file 2 space, and any other file that is present you want to delete, you can do it. Okay. Currently I have only two files, so I'm using the two. Okay. The rm file 1 file 2 and so on, the whatever the file present you can delete it. Just click on enter. Now you can see all file has been deleted. Now there is no file. So if you want to delete a file, you have to just use the rm and the file name, it will be deleted. Now let's see whether rm command will work for the directory or not. If this is a directory, you can see my directory and this would dir is a directory, and if I use rm and my dir, so you can see cannot remove my dir is a directory. It is saying that my dir is a directory and we cannot remove the directory because with the rm command. So rm command cannot remove the directory, that is saying in this command. So what are the possible way to delete directory? We can delete a directory using the uh, rmdir. Rm means remove, dir means directory. So rmdir means remove directory, and the directory name that we want to remove, that is the my dir. Just click on enter. Okay. Fail to remove directory not empty. Okay. So you can see here I am not able to remove, maybe directory is not empty, that's the reason it is saying like that. Let me try it with this rmdir and this directory. Now you can see it is deleted. So rmdir is a basic thing. Basically we used to delete. You can see rmdir and the when I do the rmdir with my dir, it is giving that fail to remove the it failed to remove the this directory because this directory is not empty. If you are trying to remove a directory that is not empty, then it will fail using the rmdir. But you can see resudir has don't have any information. You can see the 6 KB results are this does not have any file. So if I use the rmdir with the resudir, you can see file has been deleted and their resudir is not present. Let's see what are the present into the into the my dir. Let's see one more time before deleting this. you can see this having the three files already present, that is the file 5, file my file 1, and the file. Okay, if I delete all three file and again I fire the rmdir, it will work. But why this is the long process? Let's do some short process without deleting the inside the file. I am want to delete the directory. There is a command rm minus r and the directory name that you want to delete. The first thing I have learned how to delete the file, that is rm. Second, how to delete a directory, that is the empty directory, that is rmdir and the file name. Third thing, in case directory has some information and you want to delete the directory itself, then you have to use the ra minus r and the directory name. Let's click enter. Now you can see directory has been gone. Directory has gone. Okay. Now you can see directory is not present. Now let's create a directory, one more directory. Okay. Now let's go inside the directory. I want to show one more command. Let's create some file. These are the file created. You can see that they are file created with zero size. Let's add something inside the file. I am adding my name, and let's add again into some file 2. Let's again this into the file 3. Okay. Now if you see, these all having them some size. Okay. Now let's go outside the directory. Now let's do the ls-ltr. Okay. Now you can see FI, FIR having some space. So we have we in the previous section we have RA minus R, and the this is the thing I have tried. Okay, but let's say scenario, if still this is not working, that there is a command that is called force command. We can fire the force command to delete the right directory if in case we are getting some authentication error like that. There is a command that is rm minus rf. F is for force. F is for force. This is the force command that we use to delete the directory. If I enter, it will not ask for any permission, anything. If you don't have also authority, then it will delete. It will don't ask whether you want to delete yes or no, anything. It not going to ask. It will simply delete it. So we have learned, if I summarize the thing, rm is to remove the rm, file name is the remove to file. If you want to remove the directory, then rm dir and the directory name, it will remove the directory. If you want to, if you still have this command is not working, there is a rm minus r, that is also used to remove the directory. If it's still not working, then you have a force command, that is rm minus rf, that is the force command to remove directory. That is the file name, and that is the directory name. Okay, this will remove the directory. Okay. Okay, so these are the simple basic concept of the removing the deleting the file and directory in the Linux. So hope you have enjoyed. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at the Learn and Pass official. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more informative video. Thank you.